Aloha everybody, Tracie here. How's it? How you doing? Nice to see you again. Our ha'awina for today is called lepo. E ho'opili mai, lepo. He aha ke la, what is lepo? Lepo is dirt. He lepo ke ia. This is dirt. He lepo ke ia. I say this to my children and also to my haumana, my students. I say, dirt is not dirty. Dirt is necessary. You like that one? Dirt is necessary. If never have dirt, we wouldn't have food that you grow in the ground, because all the food that we eat comes from the ground. Oh, but I eat only meat, you say. Yes, you're a carnivore. Yeah, but you know what? Those cows or whatever you're eating, they eat those things that grow from the ground. It's the circle of life. I'm not gonna sing it again. My daughter heard the last video and she heard me sing. She was like, Mommy! I was like, I can sing if I like. I'm a singer. I'm gonna go over the moon phases from the lunar calendar, Keala o Kamahina, from kamehamehapublishing.org. I know, I still gotta get one new one. Yeah, somebody send me one calendar then. The day, kala, is kala umikumahiku o pepeluali. Today is the 17th of February. The season, it's wet season right now. Ho'oilo. E ho'opili mai, ho'oilo. Maikai. And the month that corresponds to February, or this time, is Kaulua. The po mahina, or the night moon, po mahina, is Akua. And why is that so necessary? According to the moon phase, it tells you if it's a good time for fishing, farming, and for planting. So akamai is so smart. So today is a good day for fishing, lawai'a. And for Mahi'ai, for planting, today is a good day for kalo. Dun tararan! Uala, sweet potato. Mai'a, banana. And kulina, corn. Maikai. The olelo no eo for this week is kanu ke kalo, I velo, a ole e ulu nui ia, e ka oha. E ho'opili mai, kanu ke kalo, I velo, a ole e ulu nui ia, e ka oha. He aha ka mana'o, what does that mean? Plant taro in velo, and the offshoots will not be many. The corm of taro planted in the month of velo grows very large, but the offshoots are few. Remember, I was telling you that this month, February, corresponds to Kaulua, where there's a month, velo, that if you plant during that time, Hawaiians would say the corm, or the kalo, is underneath the dirt. That's where it grows. It grows big, and that's where you get the poi from. That's how you make poi, right? Because it comes from the corm or the kalo. That's the kalo. Okay, you cannot see me, but you can see my kalo, and as you can see, haloa ekahi. Such a unique name, yeah. So here's our lepo. And what happened last time, I was a little bit sad because I need to put more lepo inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer some lepo that I got from my backyard by my apartment, and I'm putting some more lepo inside because I think that's the reason why my kalo, look the leaf, the low. I was sad last time on my last video because I think it wasn't getting enough water. And so my mom, I sent a picture to my mom and I said, Mom, look at my kalo. It looks like it's it looks like it's not good. And she said, you need to put more you need to put more water. This one, for this kind pot, you can take off the bottom part, and when you water it, the water just evaporates really quickly. Or you can put the bottom part on the pot right here. You see this bottom part, you can take this off, and then it acts like a plug like a plug, so then it keeps the water from draining out, yeah, the vai. So here we are, and I'm putting some more lepo. He lepo keia. I'm adding some more lepo to my kalo. So he should be happy, halo ekahi. Yeah. Oops, sorry, brother. Yeah, look his lau, his leaf. It's a little bit, it's curled up like this. I don't know why. And then I've been adding more vai, more water, because look at that. It's a little bit wilted. So I was like, oh no. Okay, so there you go, my kai. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed that. I stay a little bit sweaty, kahe kaho. But until next time, until I see you again, mahalo, aloha, ahui ho.